So right now we're at Tremco's head office in Toronto, and we've just hosted a Building Science Symposium with the theme of accelerating construction schedules and technologies that kind of go along with that.
We had a mix of architects, consultants, engineers, contractors, general contractors, restoration contractors.
We also had some folks from the property management side that really want to get hands-on and understand some of the solutions that could have an impact on their assets.
We got a chance to show the crowd how the products are mixed and how they work and how quickly they cure.
You know, being a hands-on demonstration, a lot of the questions were very practical related, where, you know, we talked about panelization and then all of a sudden the sealant joints and the wheel seal started to come into play. So I think it really worked well and flowed well amongst all of our companies.
Getting all of our sister companies together in one room and one setting where we can really parlay off each other with different technologies that are so relevant, tying into each other.
By us working together, it really benefits the end user to kind of share our stories and just seek out additional ways that we can all do business together and help each other out.
We really hear the voice of the end users, and we really take that to heart. We take it back to the drawing board. We see if we can encompass it.
And I think we bridged the gap for the customer. Now they know that, okay, here's the ultimate solution. We can get a one-stop shop from, you know, the RPM group of companies where, hey, we have everything from the ground up, like all the sides of the building. Now we're covered for everything.